Today I'm very pleased to announce that we have Doug Vahrenberg from Vahrenberg Implements. I'm a newbie. I come into your business, I start kicking a few tires. I don't know really what I'm doing. How are you going to approach me as a customer, or what are the things that we're going to talk about?
We want you to have the most pleasure, understand, try to get some questions built up before you come to me. I personally hate salesmen. I do not consider myself a salesman. I consider myself a tractor buying representative. I want to work for you to find the perfect tractor the first time. I'm working between you and the manufacturer to help you satisfy your needs. The things that I'm going to need you to help find that perfect tractor is think about the tasks that you want to do today with that tractor. What are your chores? What are the work that you want to get out of your tractor today? And then you got to think about what size implement you want to use for that, or how much time you have. If you've only got 6 hours to mow 30 acres, 4-foot cutter is not going to be the need. But the other thing that is really important is think about in the future. Is there anything else that you would like to do with your property once you, in the future? Maybe it's something like getting into small hay. If we need to do that, we can help you find that perfect tractor the first time. It may be a little higher in your budget, but it'll satisfy your needs today and in the future.